Hi, this video related to database table interview questions. Here I am providing some most important interview questions related to database tables. Okay, the first question is data dictionary. What is the data dictionary? They will ask. Okay, so data dictionary is a central repository of a development. By using data dictionary, we can create metadata and we can maintain metadata. So sometimes they will ask like, what is the data dictionary objects? So tell me data dictionary objects, they will asking. So data dictionary objects are database table, views, data type, type group, domain, search help, and lock object. Then inside the data type, here we can create a data element, structures, and table type. So this is the first question actually. Then next question is, so what is the table and types of table? A database table is a one type of data dictionary object. By using database table, we will store the data physically. Okay, so this database table having technical settings and primary key and secondary key. Okay, so database tables classified into three types. First one is transparent table and pool table and cluster table. Okay, next question is, so what is the difference between transparent table, pool table, and cluster table? So transparent table contain a small table, pool table contain a very small table, cluster table contains a large table compared to pool table. Transparent table, by using a transparent table, we can store the master data. By using pool table, we can store system data or customizing data. By using cluster table, we can store system data only. Coming to a transparent table, here one-to-one relationship with another table. Okay, pool table having many-to-one relationship to another table. Cluster tables are also having many-to-one relationship to another table. Second, final difference is, so transparent table here, for transparent table we can create a secondary index. For pool table and cluster table we cannot create a secondary index. Okay, then next question is, what is a master data? A master data, a data doesn't change, that is known as a master data. That means master data does not change, it will constant only. So example is company code, vendor code, customer code. These are the master data example. The next question is, what is the difference between table and structure? So here we are not creating any structure. So I will explain next classes how to create the structure. Now just see difference between tables and structure. Coming to table, so table will store data physically and permanently. So structure not store data physically, it hold the data at runtime only. Table having a primary key and the structure doesn't have a primary key. And one more thing, here a table contains technical settings. So inside the technical settings, here we are providing data class, size category, buffer settings. It will come in a table, but structure doesn't have this technical settings. It doesn't have a delivery class and a size category, buffer settings, it doesn't have. So then next one is table having primary index and secondary index, but structure doesn't have a primary index and secondary index. The next question is, so why we are using mandate field, or what is the use of mandate field? So this is very important question actually. So mandate field, it will store a client number. Okay, it will specify the table dependent or a table, the client dependent or client independent. Suppose table having a mandate field, that table is a client dependent. So the table details cannot see to the another client. Suppose a table doesn't have a mandate field, that table become a independent table. So the table content we can see from the another client. So that is the mandate finish. What is the secondary index? A index is created manually by user or ABAP or developer is known as a secondary index. Why we are using the secondary index means, so to improve the performance, we are creating a secondary index. So in further classes, in further videos, I will show you how to create the secondary index. So if go to the next question. So what is the delivery class? So delivery class, in the sense, it specifies what kind of data we are storing inside the database table. So SAP provides some options for that, like A for master data or transaction data, C for maintain, it means maintained by only customer, it is not maintained by SAP. L for temporary data. So GESW, it means system data. So depends upon our requirement, we will select the particular option. Okay. Then next question is, what is the data class? So it specifies a physical location of the table inside the database. Okay. SAP provides some options for that. So APP L0, APP L2, APP L1. Okay, these are the two important questions. So when you are entering into interview panel, so these are the very important question actually. Then size category. Next one is, what is the size category? It specifies number of records storing in database table. So options for size category, so it will provide some range from 0 to 8. It will vary actually, depends upon a company. Okay. So what is the buffer and the types of buffer? Buffer is nothing but a temporary storage location. So types of buffering is single record buffer, generic buffer, and fully buffer. Okay. Single record buffer, in the sense, it will store one record at a time. So full record, in the sense, it will store whole table data into a buffer storage. So for okay, the next one is, so some real-time questions they are asking. Okay, so first question is, have you ever created any custom table? Okay, so if you created, so what is the procedure? What is the procedure to create a custom table? Suppose the third question is, suppose size category reached number of records. So this is very important question. So another thing, how to create the secondary index? What is the purpose of? So the next question is, can we create a table field without a data element? And another one is, can we create a data element without a domain? DE means data element. And next final question is, what is the use of currency and quantity tab? Okay, these are the some real-time questions related to database table. Okay, thank you.